So how do you know how many files are inside of a folder in Google Drive on an iPhone? Let's explain that. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe because I have so many tutorials, ready for you. So most people are using the Google Drive app from Google, which is fine and everything, but we don't see how many files are inside of a folder, right? So that's kind of like a downside. So instead, while still having the Google Drive app installed, I would recommend you to open up the Files app from Apple, where you can go to the Browse section for your locations to be visible, tap on the three dots and click on Edit, and make sure that Google Drive is enabled, meaning that you have access to Google Drive, but through the Files app, if that makes sense, right? You can still access it the same way, it's the same files and everything, but through a different interface. And the point is that inside of the Google Drive, like this, I can open up my folders and see a bunch of different things in here. And the point is that I get the ability to select it, tap on a select all, and I can literally see the amount of items inside of my folder, right? So I get to see it right away. I get to move it and then download it with a click of a button, which is a bit more difficult through the Drive app on the official Google one, which is fine. It works well, but I personally find it the Apple solution or access a bit better, if you ask me, right? So that would be the way I would recommend you to do this. Obviously, there are some advanced options as well, like automating of the file count, like using the Google Apps script and all of the other things, but I think that this is good enough for the majority of people. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you found this video useful. You can just leave a thumbs up on it and I'm going to get the message, but most definitely subscribe for more quick tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later.